and they do all the shipping. It is incredible. The Amazon Influencer Program is a great program. You know, you're earning commissions for Amazon for making product videos, right? And if you're doing it right, you've got brands reaching out to you and, you know, sending you products, or whether you're getting them for free or you're getting them for free. Whether you're getting paid to do these videos or not is up to your negotiating abilities. But we all have the same common problem where, what do we do with all of this stuff? Okay, you know, you can do the eBay thing, you can do the Facebook Marketplace thing. It's a lot of legwork. It's a lot of back and forth. There's a lot of, is this thing available? Can I meet you in a dark alley? Can you take $1 for it? You know, all of that kind of stuff. Or you could do what I just did. I just went to WhatNot. WhatNot was a great platform. I was scared of it. But turns out nothing to be scared of, very easy to deal with. Was able, in 1 hour and 10 minutes, I was able to sell 20 products. And I would have put more in if I would have thought, you know, if I would have known it was so easy. But, and they were high ticket products. They were all electronics, cameras and stuff like that. And I'm sure you have the same stuff hanging around in your garage, in your basement, wherever you store your stuff. Some people have storage rooms, you know, and, you know, maybe you're having a garage sale once a month or whatever, how you're doing it. But, you know, you get live, you go on live on WhatNot. They pay shipping. I was scared of the shipping as well, right? It turns out they pay shipping, and all you got to do is print out the label and slap the stuff in a box. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. So if you're an Amazon influencer and you're interested in doing WhatNot because you've heard about the live stream aspect of it, and that's a lot of fun. It's a lot better than Amazon Live right now. And you can sell your products that you have laying around. Another stream of income, by the way. Pretty cool. I have a link that's going to get you instantly approved. Okay. Otherwise, you're going to have to go through some bells and whistles and jump through some hoops. You can probably get approved that way. It just takes more time. My link is going to get you approved pretty quickly. And if you want to shop on WhatNot, there's also going to be a link down there. You get a $10 coupon or a $15 coupon to spend on WhatNot. Yeah, so check that out if that's what you'd rather do. But if you want to be a seller, there's a link for the seller and there's a link for a shopper down there for you. And, you know, so you get approved. You start your first live stream, you take pictures of your stuff, and you start the auction. You could do giveaways on WhatNot, which is incredible. Remember how we used to do giveaways on Amazon Live and have so much fun giving away stuff on Amazon Live? You could do that on WhatNot now. And, you know, you pay the shipping, but it's pretty simple, pretty easy, and it's a great way to get engagement going on. And you can promote your stream just like any other social media. They'll promote your stream and drive traffic to your stream. WhatNot is your answer. WhatNot, I had so much fun on WhatNot, sold a lot of stuff. People were in the stream. The traffic was there. They promote your stream. You can promote it on social media. You know, you use a vertical feed to go live. You can go live with your computer, live on your phone, and you can run the show from your iPad or a tablet or computer or laptop or phone. You can do it from anything, but it's going to be in vertical format. And there's going to be a chat. You can stay involved and stay in touch with your audience in the chat and keep them, you know, interested. And it's fast paced. It's a lot of fun. And what really was scaring me was, and what stopped me from getting involved in the first place was shipping. I was scared to ship. I don't like shipping. I don't like customer service, but this was very simple. It was so simple. It was ridiculous. All you do at the end of the show, I sold 20 items. You have a printout and out of those 20 items, it was only 8 people bought the 20 items. So people buy multiple items. So you only ship in one box, and you have like 3 or 4 items in the box. And all you do is you weigh it, put it in a box, and you WhatNot prints out the labels for you. Just slap it on the box and you send it out. The customer pays for shipping. All you do is print out the label, put the stuff in the box, and drop it off at the post office. No worries, no thought, no worries, no craziness. You can start these auctions off at $1 to $5, depending, but I've seen auctions go off much more expensive. It all depends on what you're selling and what category you're in. We're in the Amazon review category or Amazon category, where our stuff is brand new open box stuff, where you can get top dollar for it. People are looking at it as brand new open box stuff. Once you tell them that you're an Amazon influencer and that it's open box, brand new stuff, they're willing to pay 75% of value. I'm also going to put a link down there to my WhatNot shop, so you can go down and check it out, see what I'm doing. You know, check out my shows and see if you're interested in doing that. Check it out. As always, leave a comment down at the bottom.